We have team coverage for you on the drama unfolding over masks in schools for the upcoming year. Henry Graff is learning from state leaders about the legal implications for schools who don't require them.
But we begin with Enzo Domingo, who's live in Hanover County, where last night in a heated meeting, the school board did just that. Enzo, tell us more.
Hey, good evening, Jasmine. Yeah, that mother of three that I spoke to, she wrote a letter to the school board expressing her fears now that masks are going to be optional. Now, she and the other parents that she represents with that letter want those masks to be required in school buildings.
Holocaust 2.0.
And it was clear to me that this decision was not necessarily coming from a place of discussion. There wasn't a lot of conversation around what was happening nationally in terms of COVID numbers going up.
Lynn Meyer worries for the safety of her three children as they head towards the start of the school year now that masks are not required.
You work for us. You work for us. Enough the other way around. Enough.
Tempers flaring last night as the emotional crowd made their voices heard to the Hanover County School Board, who ultimately decided to make masking optional. Today, Meyer and other parents sent a letter to the board in the hopes that they overturn their decision.
Last year, the school safety protocols were terrific. You know, my kids went to school, they wore masks every day. They became comfortable with it and they had to quarantine twice.
She and other parents are now left with less than a month before kids report to the classroom, and some are considering alternatives.
We're going to see some families that are going to really be looking for at-home learning. Unfortunately for our families, that window closed. They closed the ability to enroll a child into virtual learning.
The district posted online saying parents who missed the June 18th deadline for opting into virtual learning will now be put on a wait list. In the meantime, Meyer's letter suggests an advisory panel with health experts working with the board to help decipher national stats.
At the end of the day, having somebody who specializes in medical data, who can understand what those trends are telling us and provide that guidance is important.
Hi guys, apologies about all the distractions. We are dealing with a lot of rain out here. Now, we did reach out to the school board's chair for an interview, but we have yet to hear back. But this afternoon, the school district did send out its guidelines for masks for 2021-2022. And the board said that it would be working with the superintendent to keep track of COVID data in case masks become required in the future. In the meantime, we are live and on your side out here in Hanover County. Enzo Domingo, NBC 12.